Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a mountain gray metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque, paired with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good conditions. Chrome door handle inserts. Black MB-Tex interior. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Cargo cover. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also comes with smartphone integration, which gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Also included is our new Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." "Hey, my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
Change ambient lights to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that, you're able to give voice commands. Dual climate controls, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLA has 4,212 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.